Little midsummer garden update here. Peppers are still pretty stunted, but they are flowering. The ones in the pots that I have up on the porch are doing significantly better than these guys. The weeds are a little overtaking everything. My sweet corn is doing fantastic. Got some ears starting to form. Look at that, nice little guy. Tomatoes are pruned, getting pretty well taken care of here. Got some nice tomatoes starting, but with all this rain I'm a little nervous of some split from over moisture. I gotta prune some more of these guys up a little bit here, but there's still always some work to be done in here. Got some more stuff over here. Got some cucumbers coming in. There's a nice little cuke right there. All the Brussels sprouts doing really well over there. And then over here I got some carrots. These guys are doing phenomenal. Hopefully I get a good yield out of them. I do fairly decent, but they're never really decent size. So we'll see how they come out this time. I got a sweet potato going in here. I had to put a fence around it. Damn rabbits keep nipping everything back. So we'll see how that yields for us. All right, there we go.